So this is a front garden, and this plant here is a Bulbanksia. It gets a tree-like size, but it really hasn't grown, so I'm a little worried, but it still seems to be alive. So we'll see how it goes. And it's really weedy right now. And that's actually the dead Mexican sage. Well, it's not really dead, it just has a lot of dead stems. And those pitiful grasses there, those are actually lemongrass. They get beat up in the winter, but as things get warmer, they'll start growing back a lot nicer. And let's see. I'm actually seeing a bumblebee down there. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. And then this tree here is a flowering plum, and it's done flowering. But it's really pretty in late winter when it starts flowering. And then this is a smoke bush. You can see my neighborhood back there. That's what it looks like. And this one actually has flower clusters starting right there. Very pretty. The purple stays with the plant until autumn when it turns kind of a reddish color. So it's really attractive in autumn. And then this is actually culinary sage flowers. And then that's a plant right there. And then these are bird of paradise. A little beat up, but they're starting to kick into flowering now. So it should have some pretty nice flowers as the spring wears on. And then here is Echium. The color's a little off. These are actually a little bit more of a purple color. And this is kind of the weird flower cluster after the stem was fasciated, which means it kind of started growing wide rather than up like they should. Like you can see here. And that's the second one that happened. Not sure what happens, but it does every so often. So. Then we'll go back here. This isn't really planted, it's kind of wild, but this is our side yard. There's actually a nasturtium growing back there. Let's see if I can cam in on that. It's right there. But we kind of let it go because, you know, people really can't see back here. So it looks kind of like a forested, kind of like a forest floor. Actually, I should probably buy some tree ferns or something for it. And then over here, same plant, same Echium, well, same type, but narrower flower clusters. And then there's a crow back there picking out some garbage. Then that's the other Echium, which has blue flowers. It's actually my favorite one, but I like all three. And then these are Cleveland sage, and you can see my shadow. And let me show you the flower clusters here. Get out of the sun. These are great bee plants. And then finally, before I kill myself, this is called milk plant. And the flowers are kind of like pea flowers, but they're not related at all. So that's it. That's the garden.